Let me tell you a secret, Black Friday is a myth. That's right. It's an illusion, designed to make you think you're getting the best deal, to make you wait in the freezing cold or smash that refresh button on a website that keeps crashing. But the real sale? The one the smartest shoppers have known about for years? It doesn't happen after Thanksgiving. It happens before. And right now, the main event has already started. What if I told you the biggest discounts of 2025 aren't coming soon, they are live, this very second? Forget the chaos. Forget the sold-out signs. Today, we're cracking the code. I'm giving you an all-access pass to the massive Thanksgiving sale happening right now at SlanKIT. We're talking doorbuster savings that make Black Friday look like a dress rehearsal. Stick with me, because I'm about to walk you through the best deals you can get your hands on before anyone else even knows what's happening. Every single item is linked for you right in the description box below. Let's do this. Alright, so why is this all happening now? It's simple, the retail game is changing. We all know it. More and more people are doing their holiday shopping early to spread out the cost and just avoid the last-minute stress. We're talking about a record-breaking 183 million people expected to shop over the Thanksgiving weekend, and a huge chunk of that is happening online before the turkey even hits the table. SlanKIT is way ahead of the curve. They've launched their Thanksgiving sale early to reward those of us paying attention with the absolute best selection and the deepest discounts. And this isn't some preview. For a lot of these items, this is the lowest price you'll see all year. So what's the catch? The stock is limited. When these deals are gone, they are gone. They won't be back for Black Friday. This is your one shot. That's why I've spent the last week putting together this master list for you. I've sorted through everything to find the absolute best of the best. We've got kitchen gadgets, smart home tech, health and wellness gear, you name it. Remember, as we go through this, every deal is numbered and has a direct link in the description. If you see something you want, my advice is to grab it. Let's start the clock. We've got 7 deals to get through. Kitchen and appliance deals. We're starting in the kitchen, because honestly, this is where some of the biggest and most exciting discounts are. Perfect for upgrading your own space or for snagging that, wow, gift for someone special. We're 7 deals in, and the savings are just getting wilder. Remember, links for every single collection are waiting for you down below. Let's keep this moving. Home goods and lifestyle deals. This category is all about making your living space more comfortable and enjoyable. These are the things that bring a little luxury and convenience into your everyday life. That's another 4 deals down. You could build a whole home gym and wellness sanctuary with these items for a fraction of the cost. Check those links, because these health items are always super popular gifts. Health, wellness and personal care deals. Okay, this next section is all about you. These deals are focused on self-care, fitness, and products that just help you feel your best every day. We are officially over halfway. The value here is just nuts. If you're loving this, do me a solid and hit that like button. And don't forget, every link is waiting for you in the description. Office, travel and on-the-go gear. This section is for the students, the commuters, and the world travelers. These are deals on products designed to make your life outside the house more productive and convenient. 2 deals. We are rolling. The variety here is incredible. Check those links, the sale is on, and stock is moving fast. Entertainment and leisure deals. Alright, time to have some fun. This section is all about deals for your hobbies, your movie nights, and just kicking back and enjoying yourself. Smart home and tech deals. Okay, let's move from the kitchen to the category that gets everyone's heart pumping, technology. This is where you find some of the biggest savings on gadgets that make your life easier, safer, and way more fun. Just a reminder, all 10 of these deals are live right now and linked in order down below. These kitchen and home and tech deals always seem to sell out the fastest, so don't sleep on them. And that's it. 7 of the best Thanksgiving deals happening right now on SlanKIT. We covered everything from the kitchen to the car and all the tech in between. The savings are huge, and the time to act is now. This is not a drill. The sale is live, but the stock is not endless. The whole reason I made this video was to give you a head start before everyone else catches on next week. Don't get stuck with the Black Friday leftovers. The real deals are the ones we just went through. Every single one of these deals is linked and numbered in the description box right below this video. Open up that box, find the deals you want, and grab them before they're gone. These prices won't last, and when an item sells out, it's not coming back at this price. If this video helped you save some serious cash today, please hit that thumbs up button, and more importantly, subscribe and ring that notification bell. I'll be tracking deals like this all season long, and you don't want to miss the next alert. Thank you so much for watching. Now stop listening to me, go click those links, and get your holiday shopping done for less. Go, go, go.